6 people are reportedly dead after a helicopter they were aboard crashed in the West Virginia mountains. Logan County Office of Emergency Management confirmed the tragedy on Wednesday night, revealing that it occurred earlier that evening and attributed the news to the Federal Aviation Administration. A Bell UH-1B helicopter crashed near Route 17 in Logan County, WV, around 5 p.m. local time Wednesday. 6 people were on board, the FAA tells people in a statement. WSAZ-TV reports the individuals all died in the crash, attributing the news to Logan Emergency Ambulance Authority Chief of Operations Ray Bryant. Logan County OEM Deputy Director Sonia Porter also reportedly confirmed the deaths to ABC News affiliate WCHS. Four dead after helicopter crashes at U.S. Navy base in Hawaii. Bryant told WSAZ-TV that the aircraft was a Huey military helicopter from the Vietnam War era, and that the victims were not local. According to Bryant, the helicopter was used for tourism and was based out of the Logan Airport, per WSAZ-TV, a CNN affiliate. While the cause is unknown at this time, 1 hour before Logan OEM reported the news of the crash, they posted a severe thunderstorm watch, following up with a warning later in the day. At the time the crash occurred, I think the weather was clear, Porter told the New York Times. Five Marines dead after aircraft, initially feared to be carrying nuclear material, crashes in California. An investigation into a cause is ongoing, with the FAA saying efforts are being led by their group and the National Transportation Safety Board. The FAA and the National Transportation Safety Board will investigate. The NTSB will be in charge of the investigation and will provide additional updates, the FAA adds in their statement. West Virginia Governor Jim Justice tweeted Wednesday night that he was praying for the families of those killed in this tragic helicopter crash. Reps for Logan County OEM and the Logan Emergency Ambulance Authority did not immediately respond to people's requests for comment.